Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back and a very good Sunday evening to you. Starting off with our 6 weather bug network all over the coastal bend. You can see sunshine ruling the forecast, but we do start the day with those cloud coverage, but that quickly escapes us by the afternoon. Even as we look at our Aztec Chevrolet, looking pretty good there over in Beeville, over on Highway 181 North. You can see mostly sunny skies, temperatures holding on, look at that, to 101 degrees, southeasterly winds at only 10 miles an hour, unfortunately. So here's the problem that we have. Of course, we need some rainfall, and we need it in a desperate way. Of course, none today, none for the month of June. For the entire year of 2018, just over 4.5 inches of rain, and that's pushing 6 inches below normal for this time of year. Not good news for the farmers and ranchers, and of course not good news for our lakes and reservoirs as well, as those are going to continue to drop, and it's going to continue to get worse as we head to the next several days with high pressure and control of our forecast. With those hot temperatures, our water temperature is holding on at 85 out at Bob Hall Pier. We're holding on to 90 degrees out at the airport, but still 101 in Beeville, 102 in George West, even the Century Point for our friends down to the south in Falfurrias as well. Dew points are holding on to the middle to upper 70s for a good portion of us. Beeville and down into Mathis, George West, the exception, into the upper 60s. Even Heavenville, a little bit of some dry air holding on there, but factor in these high dew point levels and it feels like 101 here in Corpus Christi, which topped out earlier this afternoon at 110 degrees. It was even 112 out in Kingsville, out in Falfurrias as well. But right now those are holding on around 104 to 108, but 109 out in George West, 109 out in Orange Grove as well. The wind is helping a little bit though, not much, but still we have southeasterly winds that are continuing to blow around 10 to 20 miles an hour across the coastal bend. Evening forecast for tonight as we head towards the 10 o'clock hour. Notice those temperatures go down to the lower 80s, so not bad, and the winds will begin to relax as well. Could lead to, again, some inland fog right around 281, and visibility could drop around 1 to 3 miles, so use caution. Future tracker, as we go into tomorrow morning here, the winds relaxing early in the morning, about 4 to 8 miles an hour. Tomorrow afternoon, a somewhat breezy day. Southeasterly winds will continue up to 20 miles an hour and gusting. They relax again early Tuesday morning, and then on a Tuesday afternoon, I think this will be the windiest day of the next 7 as we look at sustained wind values close to 20 to 25, and we'll see gusts approaching 30 miles per hour. But as of right now, again, we're just looking at mainly sunny skies. We continue to have this tropical moisture tap coming off of the Gulf of Mexico as high pressure is now in control of there. But yeah, this is a little weak frontal boundary. This was out in the Pacific Northwest early last week, and it's already raced all the way down into our area, but it's running into that dome of high pressure. So what that high pressure ridge is going to do is take this frontal boundary and push it right back up to the north as a warm front. But notice we are starting to get a little bit of some shower and thunderstorm activity out ahead of that. Unfortunately, that's going to push away from us here. The only thing we can hope for is maybe an outflow boundary later on tonight, but that's not likely to happen. But the entire state is in need of some rainfall. A good portion of North Texas in extreme or exceptional drought. Here in the coastal bend, some parts of our area already into an extreme to severe drought as well. High pressure up to the north, not much relief from there. There's that high pressure ridge in place, and as we go into the next several days, notice that it doesn't go anywhere as high pressure just stays close by, and it just means very hot temperatures for us here. So middle 90s tomorrow, hot, stuffy, breezy southeasterly winds 10 to 20. Inland areas pushing 100 degrees and upper 80s to lower 90s near the coastline. As we go to 75, 95 tomorrow, 77 and 96 on Tuesday. Again, that's the windiest day, but heat and sunshine continuously all the way through the upcoming work week and into next weekend as well.